Which day is observed as United Nations Day every year since 1948?
October 24th.
Which is the driest desert in the world?
Atacama.
What type of government does India have?
Parliamentary.
What type of lens is used in a magnifying glass?
Convex.
Who was the first woman in space?
Valentina Tereshkova.
Which one of the following is not a part of pistol?
Anther.
Which mineral is essential for transporting oxygen in blood?
Iron.
A negative number multiplied by a negative number gives.
Positive.
Which of these is an insulator?
Plastic.
Who wrote Pride and Prejudice?
Jane Austen.
The War of the Worlds is a science fiction novel by which author?
H.G. Wells.
The bending of light as it passes through different media is known as?
Refraction.
Which of these has a rational value?
Square root 3.
Who owns Instagram?
Meta.
Which country has a maple leaf on its flag?
Canada.
Which battle ended the rule of Napoleon?
Battle of Waterloo.
Which gas is used in fire extinguishers?
Carbon dioxide.
Which of these is a linear equation?
Two x plus 3 equals 7.
Which river flows through Paris?
Seine.
In which country is the Great Victoria Desert located?
Australia.
What part of the atom has no charge?
Neutron.
How many modern constellations are recognized by the International Astronomical Union, IAU?
'88.
What is a substance that speeds up a chemical reaction without being consumed called?
Catalyst.
How many diagonals does a hexagon have?
Nine.
Which blood group is a universal recipient?
AB+.
Which organization works for World Health?
WHO.
Where is the headquarters of UNESCO situated?
Paris.
What causes tides on Earth?
Moon's gravity.
What is the name of Harry Potter's pet owl?
Hedwig.
Who among the below was not a Portuguese explorer?
Christopher Columbus.
Which instrument is used to measure electrical resistance?
Ohmmeter.
Find the value 4 to the power of 2 plus 3 squared, divided by 5.
Five.
What is the chemical formula of ozone?
O3.
What is the main religion in Saudi Arabia?
Islam.
We must obey the traffic rules to avoid dash.
Accidents.
Which is the largest part of the human brain?
Cerebrum.
Who led the civil rights movement in the USA?
Martin Luther King Jr.
Which planet is known as the jewel of the solar system?
Saturn.
Which bone is also known as the shin bone or shank bone?
Tibia.
Which mineral is crucial for strong bones and teeth? How many valence electrons does a hydrogen atom have?
One.
What is the first letter in the Greek alphabet?
Alpha.
Which US state is the largest by area?
Alaska.
The IC chips used in computers are made of?
Silicon.
What type of galaxy is the Milky Way?
Spiral.
In which year did Japanese attack on Pearl Harbor?
(1941).
What term describes organisms that break down dead material?
Decomposes.
If x equals 3, what is the value of x squared plus 2x plus 1?
(16).
Tiger Woods is associated with which one of the following sports?
Golf.
Which is the smallest country in the world?
Vatican City.
Where is the headquarters of NATO located?
Brussels.
Which gas is used in the preparation of soda water?
Carbon dioxide.
Which part of the body is affected by pneumonia?
Lungs.
Solve. 2x minus 5 equals 11.
X equals 8.
Who is known as the father of economics?
Adam Smith.
Graphite, used in pencils, is a form of which element?
Carbon.
One angle of a triangle is 50 degrees, second is 60 degrees, third is?
(70 degrees).
Sulfuric acid is a dash acid.
Debasic.
When an object is in motion, it possesses which form of energy?
Kinetic energy.
Find the missing number, 248-32.
(16).
The girl was praised for her dash performance.
Brilliant.
Which of the following is not a greenhouse gas?
Argon.
In which modern country was Mesopotamia located?
Iraq.
What is the capital city of Ukraine?
Kyiv.
What is the full form of SMS?
Short messaging service.
If the mass of the pendulum is doubled, then the time period dash.
Remains same.
Which particles are found in the nucleus of an atom?
Protons and neutrons.
When is International Women's Day celebrated every year?
March 8th.
Which ancient civilization developed cuneiform writing?
Mesopotamians.
What is the Roman numeral for 500?
D.
Which is the second most abundant mineral in the human body?
Phosphorus.
Which force opposes the motion between two contacting surfaces?
Friction.
The rate of change of velocity with time is called
acceleration.
Which gas turns limewater milky?
Carbon dioxide.
What kind of motion does a pendulum exhibit?
Oscillatory.
The vertical columns in the periodic table are called
Groups.
The new student speaks English very dash.
Fluently.
The phrase bittersweet is an example of dash.
Oxymoron.
Which Indian monument is also known as the symbol of love?
Taj Mahal.
Which Greek sculptor made the statue of Zeus at Olympia?
Phidias.
Which element makes up about 46% of the Earth's crust by weight?
Oxygen.
The Andes Mountains are located on which continent?
South America.
What is the chemical symbol for potassium?
K.
What is the national sport of Japan?
Sumo.
What is the oldest tennis tournament in the world?
Wimbledon.
How many square meters make 1 acre?
$4,047.
The United Kingdom consists of how many countries?
Four.
He speaks so softly that no one can dash him.
Here.
Hair and nails are made up of which one of the following proteins?
Keratin.
Which country first used paper money?
China.
Which Indian mathematician is known for the number 0?
Brahmagupta.
The process of finding and resolving computer program errors is called
Debugging.
the study of heredity and variation in organisms is known as
Genetics.
Who among the below was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize posthumously?
Dag Hammarskjöld.
Which is the outermost whorl of the flower?
Calyx.
Which country is known for inventing pizza and pasta?
Italy.
Which Newton's law is referred to as the law of inertia?
First.
Who discovered the sea route to India in 1498?
Vasco da Gama.
Who painted the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel?
Michelangelo.
Who became the first woman to win the Booker Prize?
Bernice Rubens.